I thought it was going to happen organically, but like, you need to clap that part out. Again. 1, 2, clap, 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 clap.
Name and vocab, we're about that kind of rhythmic ability. That timing is really, really important. Hopefully that shows you that we've still got that in Diva. On the primary speaker over here, we have got an analog RCA input if you want to connect a turntable, for example. HDMI eARC, if there's going to be a TV second between these. Optical and a USB, so if you've got music on a stick, you can plug it in, play it and serve it.
So could you say the name of the amplifier in the loudspeakers?
Sorry?
Could you say the name of the...
It's a proper name Class AB amplifier for each section. So tweeter, mid-range, and each pair of bass drivers have got a proper Class AB name amplifier.
Yeah.
So if you open a name product, you'll know we're a big fan of proper linear power supplies. That's exactly what we're using for this product. A lot of active designs are using Class D, which, you know, they're small, they're cheap, they don't heat up. But this is a no compromise approach. It's a proper Class AB name design. The difference being, for the first time, because we know exactly the load and the frequency response that amp's got to deal with, we've been able to optimize the amplifier design with the drive unit. So there is an advantage to having that active design.
You can pull off the panels here with Velcro. Is it Velcro or what is it? What is it?
It's about, for someone who knows what they're doing, it's about a 15-minute job.
Okay.
Screws and
Velcro, screws inside. Okay.
So later this year there'll be 4 finishes coming. I was in Stockholm a couple of weeks ago, and someone introduced me to this band called The Creeps. They were new to me, but
Creeps.
Yeah, anything with a Hammond organ, I love it. So this is The Creeps.
Times again I told you, all I need is everything. Don't keep me waiting in the cold now. Open up and let me in. Yeah, I won't have it all. I won't have it all. 1,000-channel love machine. I'll be there when your light turns green. This is what we both knew, baby. One day I'll come after you. Don't use words I care for, baby. I'll kick your door until I'm through. Said I won't have it all. Yeah, I won't have it all. Won't stop, can't get enough. So give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me, give it to me now, give it to me, give it to me now, give it to me, give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me, give it to me now, give it to me now, give it to me. Beware, don't have my share. give it to me. Give it to me now, give it to me. Give it to me now, give it to me. Give it to me now, give it to me. Give it to me now, give it to me. So give it to me now, give it to me, give it to me now, give it to me.